If your vehicle breaks down, it can be stressful. The good news is Endurance makes the next steps simple. As an Endurance customer, help is available when a breakdown happens. Bring your vehicle to a licensed repair shop to diagnose the issue. If you suspect driving could cause further damage, use your included towing benefit to transport your vehicle safely. If you need help finding a repair facility, our VIP Repair Network can connect you with certified mechanics near you. Go to endurancewarranty.com/repair. Once you're at the repair shop, Endurance will be there every step of the way. Just share your contract details with your mechanic and have them contact us for authorization before repairs begin. We will work with the shop to process your claim quickly and pay them directly for eligible repairs. You can track your claim in the Endurance customer portal at my.endurancewarranty.com. And if you have questions, our customer service team is here to help. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on